I've had a bunch of people ask me, hey Nick, how many times can you bend this tube back and forth on this tool? What's the mechanical limitations of it? Well, I've sat here and bent this thing back and forth about 10 times just like this making this video because I can't talk. But roll this thing back out on the workbench here. There's your legs. So you got a little weeble in it. Take your diblow hammer. Thing still works. Again, you got to keep it within the limitations. Don't go wearing it out with a 5-pound sledgehammer or anything like that. Within reason, you're gonna have any problems with this stuff.